Today we will learn how to create a smooth text animation. So let's jump into the timeline. I've added a text layer here. After selecting the text, go to the effect panel and search for transform effect. Drag and drop it onto the text layer. Now go to the effect control panels where you will see transform with position and opacity below it. Turn on the keyframes for both. Set the position value to 650% and opacity value to 0. Move a few frames forward, then set the position and opacity value back to the original. After that, unclick the tick mark and set the shutter angle to 300%. Next, select the keyframes and apply ease in and ease out. Bring two lines closer together to make the animation smoother. Now if I play it, you will see the animation happening. We'll also slightly reduce the animation speed. We'll save this effect as a preset so we can use it again later. Now I'll move on to the text layer, then go to the effect panel and search for the crop effect. Apply the crop effect to the text layer based on how many characters there are. I'll copy the text layer as many times as needed. For example, if there are 10 characters, we'll copy the layer 10 times. After that, select the first layer and go to the effect control panels. Using the crop effect, cropped each character one by one. Once the copying is done, move the start of the timeline and shift each text layer 2 frames forward using the keyboard. Our animation is complete. If I play it, you will be able to see the final result. To learn exciting video editing tips like this, make sure to click out our previous videos. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notification about the future.